morning. I've been up since 5. It's now 6. Watching the sunrise, it's so pretty. We are headed north today, this morning, hopefully on the road by 8-ish, on to Oregon. Alright, let's push on into Oregon, 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 Oregon.
Good morning, everybody. We're about packed up and ready to head to Oregon. We've been in Nevada for 7 days now, a little longer than we expected to be here. Today's the big day when we cross the border into Oregon. We are looking forward to some cooler and greener country. How does it feel to not be in Nevada any longer?
Still feels kind of like we're in Nevada still.
I broke it.
It's good, yay! We're in Oregon.
Got a quick stop over here at Chickahominy Reservoir in central Oregon. This is great.
There's doggies on the table.
Nothing.
What's the doggo Besides to look him with the foggy, nice morning. With a little drizzle of rain right now.
A big part of why we do this is being able to look out your front door early in the morning and see a bald eagle on the beach eating a fish. That was pretty amazing. Look, guys, we are coming up to the Cascades. That's such a nice view after endless miles of high desert. Look at that. Let's go up there.
Gorgeous. Let's go find a camp.
What you making?
I am making chicken strips to go with a Caesar salad, potatoes, beans, and corn. That's what's for dinner.
You're a miracle worker.
The Caesar salad is in the cooler.
Do you want paper plates or just normal
Let's do
plates?
plastic because they're kind of easier to wipe.
This is Sisters Cow Camp, just north of Bend near the little town of Sisters. We're in the Cascades, technically, and if you look around, this looks exactly like New Mexico. So it's nice to be in trees. We are excited that it's not empty desert around us, but Ponderosa Pine Forest, we're so close to the Coast Ranges of Oregon with all their dense green that this is interesting. It's like being back in New Mexico. Back on the road.
art supplies. Apparently I'm the only one who's drawing.
Looks nice.
It's nice, it's fun. Come join. So a little while ago, we went and soaked in a new hot spring to us up the road from here. I think the locals call it Deer Creek Hot Spring. Really sweet little hot spring on the side of the river. It was really nice, really hot, sulfury, but it felt really good to wash off the Nevada desert. So this is a really nice little campground. We're at Mackenzie Bridge Campgrounds. I forget how lush it is the closer you get to the coast. It's really, really fun to go from like desert to like ponderosa pine where it's dry, and as you come in closer and closer it just gets really lush and green and mossy, and the smell is, I can't even describe to you how wonderful it smells here. And it's so humid, I'm sweating. What is this humidity? It's crazy. So we're over here just relaxing, doing a bit of art in the hammock, just really enjoying our day. We're gonna be here for 2 nights, and then Sunday we will push on to the coast for our reservations at our favorite campground on the beach.
That's some good hard work.
It's gonna fall off. It's gonna fall. Uh-oh. Whoa. No way. No way. Whoa. Made it.
We're on week 3, and this is our first fire of the whole trip. It's really nice. It's finally humid and moist, and there's no fire danger, there's no fire restrictions. So we're gonna enjoy this, have some s'mores. I'm cooking some steaks. Louise is cooking her special concoction. It's gonna be great.
So it's Sunday morning. It's 52 degrees out. We just left Mackenzie Bridge Campground, which ended up being a really sweet little place to camp for a couple nights. And we're headed to Springfield. And then we will choose our routes to the coast. It's gonna rain all day today. So we're not taking that.
Too bad. It's cute.
Every single item I had.
That's it. We made it to the coast, guys. Just pulled into Newport, and we are here. Well, we reached Chickahominy Beach on the Central Oregon coast. This was our big destination. We are going to be here for a week and a half, exploring the mountains and the coast and all the fun stuff in the area. So be sure to come along for that. What do you say? You want to go to the beach for sunset?
Yeah. Look at this. Look, can you see that? It's gorgeous.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on this episode. We'll catch you next week, guys.